beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, of course, and for today's video it's a very exciting one. I finally got my iPhone 12 Pro Max in the Pacific blue color and I'm so excited. I've been wanting this phone since it came out and I've been wanting to upgrade it from my iPhone XS Max, which I am recording from. The reason I wanted to upgrade, even though my phone, I absolutely love my phone super much, the reason I decided to get a new one is because there's a fly just flying around and it's annoying me. But okay, so the reason I wanted to get a new iPhone is because the storage on my iPhone XS Max is 64 gigs and it was just not enough at one point. It was always telling me to get more storage, and I did get the iCloud thing, which I could not figure out for the longest, but I finally got it working. But I still wanted to upgrade to the newer one, right? So I bought it today. Oh, actually I bought it Friday. Today is Saturday, the next day, and I just came back from picking it up. I also went on a little shopping spree and got me some new outfits and new clothes, so I'm excited about that as well. Okay guys, so let's just jump right into this video because I really want to hold this baby in my hands. I want to see it, I want to touch it. I actually, when I went to the Apple store, I did not even like look at the phone. I was looking for it and I couldn't find it, but on my way out I did kind of glance at it, but I couldn't really see it up close. So this is gonna be like my first impression to what it actually looks like, and I'm so excited. So let's jump into it. Okay, so here's the bag from Apple. I did order it and then go to pick it up. So I did order it and then I went to pick it up because it was just faster and easier like that. This is the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a 6.7 screen size with the 256 gigabytes. That's what the packaging looks like. Is this a video? Oh baby. Oh baby. Yes. Oh my goodness, yes. Let me take this sticker thing off of it. And then we'll get down to the ASMR. I also have some accessories that are super pretty and I love, and I cannot wait to put them on my phone. So for what I'm thinking of doing with my iPhone XS Max, my sister did ask me for it, but I'm not gonna give it to her. I'm sorry, but no. I'm actually just gonna keep it as my backup phone. So the back of my that's another reason I did decide to get a new phone, was because the entire back of my iPhone XS Max is shattered. I dropped it at work and it like landed on a corner and it shattered. And then I dropped it this other time, which like I said, it was already shattered, but it just broke a little bit extra. So, but I'm gonna get it fixed. I'm hoping to get it fixed next week or the week after that. We'll see how it all goes. Now, I did not get the USB-C charger adapter thingy because I was really tight on budget. I'm not gonna lie, I was really tight on budget, and I just didn't need it. I used my Samsung. Oh my god! Samsung adapter, and then I just used my iPhone charger from like my iPhone XS Max when I got it. So yeah. Now let's get on to unboxing this video, and I'm gonna tilt you guys down and get right to the juicy ASMR part. Okay guys, so here's the phone. Baby, it looks so good. Oh my god. Oh, look at that color. I will say it's a lot better in person. Okay, so right now, obviously I have a lot of lights, but it is a little bit darker than what, here, let me dim the light real quick. Sorry, excuse me. That better? Look at how pretty and beautiful this color is. Oh my gosh. Holy shenanigans. Okay, so I was trying to debate whether I wanted the Pacific blue or the graphite, because the graphite, I'm not even gonna lie, it looks so sexy. And every unboxing that I watched, like from the graphite ones or all of them, like the graphite one was so sexy, mysterious, and black. But I went with the blue one because, as you guys know, I'm going to the US Navy, and you know, I have been really digging blue lately, as you can see. So I went for the blue one. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to have it. Oh my god. Whew. Wow, it definitely is a little bit bigger than my iPhone XS Max. I love giant phones, so I was not gonna settle for anything less. Oh baby. Oh baby, she's gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. The only thing I don't like is that it gets a lot of fingerprints, which sucks, but it's fine. So I'm gonna turn her on, set it up, and then I will be putting unboxing the accessories and putting on the screen protector and all of that. So for the screen protector, I did get a privacy one, but you guys will see when we get there. So let's turn this on, set it up, and then we'll go to the rest of the unboxing. Okay guys, so for the setup process, I need to bring up my current iPhone to my new iPhone to set it up. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back, I swear. Okay guys, so I just finished transferring all of my stuff from my iPhone XS Max to my new iPhone. And these are all of my wallpaper thingies. I'm not sure if my widgets are gonna transfer, so hopefully they do, but if not, I'll just look for some new pictures. I'm actually thinking of like redesigning the whole thing anyways, so that's a good thing. I just need to set up like Apple Pay and stuff like that. But all of my stuff is here so far. Yeah, it looks like everything's on here, even my videos and my thumbnails. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the screen protector on and all of that juicy stuff, and let's do it. Okay guys, so we're gonna start. I put my phone to the side. We're gonna start with the screen protector. I got this screen protector off of Amazon, as well as all my cases, so I will have those linked down in the description box for you guys to check out. If you guys like them, go ahead and purchase them. They were cheap, they were nice. And I will also be putting all of my information, social media, underneath in the description box, so also make sure to check that out and follow me on all my social medias. I'm going to be using this privacy screen, and it comes in a pack of 2, as well as the camera screen protector things. guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. I absolutely loved the third case. The reason I decided not to put the little protector on the camera was because I knew that one of them had the built-in one. So this is probably the one that I'm gonna be using the absolute most because I love it. I'm definitely gonna get all the other colors of this design because they're so pretty. Like I said, if you guys want any of these cases or screen protectors, I'll leave everything linked down below, as well as all of my social media, so you guys can go show love to that. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. Like this video if you enjoyed it and enjoy iPhone unboxings, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.